Many of us have seen, read, and heard about the do-it-yourself will kit. These are often easy and cheap. And hey, I don't blame you. I'm always the first one to see what I could do to save money. But oftentimes, these tools may be easy today, but costly and aggravating later. I want to go over 6 situations where you should not consider a do-it-yourself will kit. Number 1, if you or a loved one may need long-term planning, it's important that you do not use these kits. They will not give you the appropriate tools, and these tools are so complex, you really need to sit with a professional to understand how it works and make sure it works right. Number 2, oftentimes we may not be clear about what we want if we have complex or complicated decisions. If you have a very complex situation in your family, a do-it-yourself will kit will not help you. You do need to seek out professionals to clarify your exact wishes so that it will be carried out precisely. Number 3, if you're involved in a marital dispute or you have a blended family, a will kit is not for you. Many times we just don't know what we don't know. There are many people involved and many factors that can happen if we don't do it right. Number 4, if you have a history of mental illness or have capacity issues, again, a simple will kit will not do. It's so important to take every precaution possible and to make sure that the forms you have and the type of estate planning documents you have are done correctly and precisely to protect you and your family. Number 5, if you think there might be a will contest, that someone might contest your will, do not use a do-it-yourself will kit. There are certain precautions that can be taken so you can protect what you have, protect your plan from other people who may have other decisions. Having a will contest is not only expensive, but it's so stressful. You want to make sure you avoid that by not having a will kit. Lastly, if you or a loved one has a disability, it's so important to not use a will kit. These kits will not address what will happen when we are worried about protecting government benefits, protecting against predators. A will kit will not be efficient and will not protect your loved one. So there you have 6 important reasons why a will kit will not be good enough for you or your family. Please click below for an appointment with our firm and we would be able to help you and protect you, your family, and your legacy.